Rila Castochla, Nuka Kamenawati, Gaiklachilis, Gaiklachnamris. I took my glasses off because they're glary, and then I'm like, oh my god, I can barely see myself. Today we're gonna work on something a little bit different. So maybe a little recap would be, we went through all the vowels. We went through explosive sounds, or it's like behind your gigi, and then we went through like the back sounds. Okay, hold on. We went through the what do you call that? Like the invisible silent Y, and we practiced each of those consonants with those vowels. And some of them we found that they changed and the rule didn't apply to an E and an I, you know. So there are a bunch of little rules that I learned along the way from Lorraine, or yeah, just I had so many different teachers along the way. But today we're going to try something a little bit different. And to be honest, because I was so sick, I don't even remember if I've done this. Okay, so just how you get like yachen. So, humps, humps. Just repeat after me. How you get like yachen. Repeat after me. Humps, humps. Okay, so what do you think, what letter do you think that begins with? Okay. So write that down on your paper. And then, ooh. Write the letter ooh. 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 Got it? Hmm. 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 We'll overdo it. Hmm. And then, shoom. You hear that? Mm. What do you think that is? Mm. Okay, so write that down. Mm. Right after, immediately after that, mm. And then shoops, shoops. Okay, so let's see if you spelled it right. So the first letter was the letter X, and then ooh was the letter U, and then M, and then I added m. So that's a stop sign, which is an apostrophe, and then an S. Humps. If you don't have that stop sign in there, you guys, it actually would just say humes. Okay? You need to have those stop signs. So, yeah, it just says humes. So add that stop sign after your M, and humps. Humps. I've actually recently seen somebody write this and they went and put a letter P. M-P-S. Humps. But it's not. It's humps. X-U-M stop sign S. Okay? We're going to do one more. Yeah. How you get la gachen. How you get la gachen. Yeah. Yeah. Try again. Yeah. Good job. One more time for the road. Yeah. Good job. So it's the first letter you hear. Write that down. I'm going to do two letters next. No. Put your hand here. So, okay, and then y, and then ah. So, y, ah, s, ya, s, ya, s, ya, s, ya. How do you spell it? S, A line, stop, ya, Y-A, s, ya. Take that stop out of there for a sec. And it's just ya. When you add the stop sign between the A line and the Y, ya. You can feel it. Ya. It's a stop sign. Your throat stops for a quick sec. Ya. Okay? So we'll continue to spell around and we'll just do body parts to pull out, so your ears getting used to hearing the sounds and then writing the letter immediately. Okay, so let's continue to practice. I'm kind of just winging it here, so feeling a little bit, I'm feeling probably 99% better. A little bit coughing still, but way better than I was in the last 2 or 3 weeks. So Delacasta ochla, Llachwala Nukun Clus, Halakasta ochla. Have a good night.